Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 18th of September 2019. So guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed till now, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay guys, after a long wait we have seen that EUR USD is dropped, and I'm going to take you towards the signals report. This is the signals report that I have sent to the subscribers early in the morning, and EUR USD with a bearish expectation from 110496 and 110089 is the target price. However, the EUR USD has went down, and it has went down up to 110242. So congratulations to all the traders who have waited for the whole day on EUR USD, because we have a sudden drop occurred here. So if you have taken your trades already, then you must be in a profit and you should close those trades with no problem. Okay, at next we are going to talk about New Zealand USD. A bearish trend was applied to the subscribers in the morning from 063302 and 062908 is the target price. However, if you look at the chart, then the market has went down up to put me the line here, 063146. So if it keeps on going like this, then it can reach up to 062908 level. At next we are going to talk about USD JPY. So guys, basically this signal is just on the way. It's just testing our entry. I have just closed it because this is going to be the closing end from my side, because it's going to be very late at my end. That's why I have closed it with scalping. I have done on USD JPY. 108279 is the entry and 108778 is the target price. And guys, you can see it has just break the entry, and now again it retesting the level. But if it continues the bullish trend like this, then my target price is 108778. So overall I am bullish on USD JPY. At next we are going to talk about USD CHF. Okay guys, this signal is still on the way. USD CHF with a bullish expectation from 099543 and 099902 is the target price. You can see the entry is already broke, and if we look at the target price, the target price is 099902. So if it continues its momentum like this, then it can reach up to the target price. At next we are going to talk about another good trade that has completely hit the target price is USD Canadian dollar with a bullish trend from 132681 and 132995 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market exactly hit the target price with no problem. It breaks the entry from here, and after that it has went up. So congratulations to the traders who have taken the positions on this pair, and losing trade on AUD USD. We do not talk about the losing trades. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. You can see the two red boundaries indicators on the chart. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's losing the momentum, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary or blue boundary and it's gaining the momentum, like it happened with USD Canadian dollar today, then you can buy the pair. Moreover, if the scalper gives you the white signal, that's time to buy. When it turns red, it means the time to sell, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare this signal report, because this signal report is based on a trick, and if you want to learn this trick, I teach this trick for $700, and I take the subscriber to the coaching session on Skype and for 3 days, and I will teach for 3 days, and he will prepare the signals with me, and after that you will be able to produce your own signals, and that's a very good service from my side. So guys, if you want to learn, then or if you want to take any of the service, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.